Good morning one and all. In this lecture we are going to learn a new concept that is about formatting hard drive. In last lecture we have learned about what is an IDE technology, and in this lecture we will learn that how to delete the hard disk content and how to format it. So format means you will be having a hard disk that can be a blank hard disk or having some content, so that content will be deleted and you can install a new operating system. According to that, this hard drive formatting in consisting of the three steps, that is, one is low level formatting we can do, second about the partitioning, and third about the high level formatting. So it is used to configure the data storage so that OneDrive it will be having a logical partitions. You might have seen in your Windows 10 it is having C drive, D drive, E drive. So C drive normally it contains your operating system data, and D and E other drives are containing the personal information data. So depending on that you can partition your hard drive into different logical spaces, and that one of that drive containing your operating system data. So how we can format it? So this process it includes low level formatting, partitioning, and third one is about the high level formatting. So low level formatting it is actually done at the industry side. Second one, partitioning, a hard disk will be divided into different logical partitions, and third one, high level formatting. Now in this high level formatting, here you can format your hard drive, that is, a user can format the hard disk with the help of different techniques that we will see later in this point. So before we are doing the formatting, we are deleting the content, we should take the backup of all the data and applications which required further. So first of all, take the backup, attach some external hard drive or external your USB drive, and then take a backup into your CD drive or any another USB hard disk or pen drive, and then you can erase the content. So if you are applying the disk formatting multiple times, then what may happen, your disk may be get corrupted. So if it is very necessary to format a hard disk for making a partitions, if there is no space, we want to do some fragmentation, then in that case we should do the formatting. So these are the three processes involved. We will see one by one. First one, it is about the low level formatting. Low level formatting, it is a type of physical formatting. Now we have seen the hard disk. Hard disk it is made up of cylinders, it is made up of sectors and the tracks, and this tracks it is used to store your information in the form of the 0 and the 1. So that it is process of marking cylinders and tracks of the blank hard disk. And so there will be, first of all, mark out how many tracks can be there in a blank hard disk, and then we will divide these tracks into the different sectors, and this division of the sectors, division of the tracks, that will be done at the low level formatting. Now once your data if it is present in your hard disk and you are applying this low level formatting, then it is very impossible to recover that data. So low level formatting normally it is applicable at the industries, and industry, first of all, when they are delivering the hard disk, first of all they are performing all these functions, low level formatting, making the tracks, making the sectors and cylinders, and then it will be given to the users for the users. So it is recommended that we should avoid this low level formatting. Now when we should use this low level formatting, if suppose your data it is very secure one and you want to preserve that data for the security purpose, you want to throw that hard disk at that time. Before throwing that hard disk, first of all apply the low level formatting, delete all the content that will be permanently deleted, and then you can throw that hard disk. So for if you want to avoid that data, because with the help of high level formatting that we are going to learn later on, with the help of that high level formatting, again there are so many data recovery softwares, anyone can recover the data. So here, to avoid the privacy leakage, we can do this low level formatting. So normally who perform this low level formatting? It is performed by the hard disk manufacturers. Now the second process of your formatting of the hard disk containing the partitioning. Partitioning, its a name is indicating that it is dividing. So what it is dividing? It is dividing your hard disk. So you know about the hard disk. Hard disk will be logically divided. It's not physically divided. So logically divided, suppose you are having a 500 GB of hard disk. So there you can make a 5 partitions you want to make, 5 divisions. 100 GB for one division, second 100 GB for second division, and so on. So C drive 100 GB, D drive 100 GB, and so on. You can make the partitions. So these partitions means dividing your hard disk into one and more regions. That is about the partitioning. So one partitions may include your operating system data. Second partition, it can include your personal information. Third partition, you can use it for your official data or office files. So in that way you can make the partitions. Now third one, it is about the high level formatting. Now this high level formatting, you can use different partitioning tools, means user can use different partitioning tools. Even with the help of command prompt you can do it. In Windows 10 there is a utility that with the help of that with the help of system settings you can format your particular partition and install any new OS or just add some data into that particular partition. So this high level formatting, it is used to writing on the file system, cluster size, partition label we should know, partition name, number, and we can create a new partition and we can specify the size, what can be a new size of that particular partition. It is very easy to erase the hard disk with the help of high level formatting, and again we can install operating system and along with the we can store the data. So high level formatting includes, first of all, we will clear the data with the help of high level formatting on hard disk. Then it generates the boot information. Then this boot information, it will initialize the file allocation table. So there are different types of file system: NTFS file system, file allocation table system. NTFS, it is a new technology file system. So initialize FAT, rather than we can say initialize NTFS, initialize FAT. So here different files with their pointer addresses on your hard disk locations will be stored and it will be generated, initialized, and after that it will go to logical bad sectors will be name given and that they will be get deleted. Now which are the tools are present? You can use either your system administrator, that is a disk management. Go to the disk management, right click over there and say the format of your hard disk. Another, you can use some disk management tools which is available for every operating system, and another tool, that is a diskpart. For even for the Ubuntu there is a gparted fdisk tool which is a command prompt one, and with the help of that you can format the hard disk. Now next part, it is just an additional that how exactly you can format a disk in Windows 10. Example I have given over as in Windows 10. So Windows 10, you know that it is supporting for FAT, FAT32, exFAT, extension FAT, NTFS, REFS file system. Now here you can do the full format or we can use the quick format. So full format, it will the files are erased from the volume that you are formatting. So it will take a time if you are doing a full format. Quick format, files are erased, but it will not scan the files for whether there are the bad sectors are present, and it will not try to delete that bad sectors. So that's why quick format will be it will take a few time. Now which are the different ways that you can format your hard disk? First one, we'll see how to format a hard disk of this PC. Second option with the disk management, and third option through the command prompt. So first one, just go to the this drive, go to the my computer. Here you will find out the drive. Look at this picture: C drive, D drive, E drive. Now here suppose D drive we want to format. Click on that drive, say right click. Here you will get the different options. Say format, click on the format. So it will format this particular drive. So it is just a kind of quick format. Once you click on the format, then the next window will appear. It shows the capacity, then file system, with which file system you want to format, and say start. Quick format, just we have discussed, it will not find out which are the batch sectors are available, and that will be get deleted. Now here by default allocation size you can take, or you can choose the different allocation size. Volume label you can assign volume label and say quick format. Say OK, format complete. It will take some time and your disk will be get formatted. Option number 2. In option number 2, go to disk management, or in command prompt type this command as in a disk mgmt.msc. It will open the disk management, and here we have to format a drive. So when you open disk management, then this will be the picture of that window. So it will show the different drives. Now suppose this is a D drive, right click on this one, say format. So it will format the drive. Now whatever just we are discussing, all these are the high level formatting of the hard disk. Say NTFS and allocation size, and say quick or full format. Say OK, and it will take some time. It will give a message that it will delete all the data. Say OK. Now it will show the message when it is formatting. See, this is like the formatting. Otherwise all the partitions are the healthy partitions. Now the third one, once it is formatted, so this is the second one option. Third option, through the command prompt in the CMD, go to the command prompt, write down their disk part and list volume. So it will list out the different volumes are present. So here C, D, E, these are the volumes are present over there. Now select volume. For example, select volume number 4. So that particular volume will be get selected, and here you have to write down format FS, file system type, label, friendly name, quick format. So write down here as in it will be shown over here. See this command prompt picture. Format FS is equal to NTFS, that is a file system. Label is equal to local disk and the quick. So it will delete that particular volume number 4. So first of all we have to select this one. See, list disk part. First type the command disk part, then list volume. It will list out the different volumes, 0 starting from the 0 with the name as a C, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose we want to delete the 4. Then type the command as a select volume 4. So this volume has been selected, and then type format FS is equal to NTFS label local disk quick. So it will be quickly formatted. So these are the different ways that we can delete or format the hard disk. So these are the 3 ways. Another way that you can use some partitioning tools also, and with the help of the partitioning tools you can format your hard disk. So what is the formatting? Formatting means just you want to delete the content, you want to configure your data storage properly, you want to remove the bad sectors of your that hard disk. Then if there is some space issue, if we want to install new operating system, in such a cases we require formatting of a hard disk. 3 process steps are there: low level formatting, partitioning, and third one high level formatting. Low level formatting normally at the manufacturer side this will be done. It is about making divisions, making tracks, making sectors, making divisions, giving the number of sectors. So these functionality will be performed at the low level formatting. This is the actual physical formatting. And second one, partitioning, divided into the logical drive, C drive, D drive, E drive, and so on. Now normally its labeling is from the C, because in past days A and B drive it is used for floppy drive. So that's why it starts from the C. So I think you understood about the formatting hard drive. So we will stop here, and in next video we will go to the next point, that is of the EID. Thank you.